开，没有关系的，我先绕起来，整体的放上去。就这样，你看，这样你不能好拍。我都那个搞烦了。我还好，最近都建在生猛干活。我感觉我有时候感觉生猛的老师调节挺厉害的。你们家的报告就拉过去，他们基本上没给我打电话哈。
也有了，也挺多的，一样的。对呀。
那个不要了，他每次穿模都不一样的。就是说这穿模的时候要点动按一下哈。
You should press job. You should press job. Press job to wipe the film. Press job to wipe the film.
这个整齐。
In the center, almost in the center. Here, almost together. Here open, here open, here open, and here is a job. You should press the job for manual bridge. And the film is wiped like this. Film here, and come to here, and here can move. 这左右是。Here can separate, and here is together. Here separate, here stack. It has together. Film come here, open to here, and close. And the film come here. Here, and then here, and then downstairs, under this one, and you should in the center. You should keep in the center, and here to here should have gap. Here to here should have gap, and the film here should be even, should be equal. And then here's open, and fade. 帮忙一下 open and fade. Okay, and here also open and fade. Here is total power. And here is the water press for the water. And here is the job. If you want one job, you first press stop. Only you press stop, and you can one job. And here for start. Here's the heater. First heater is this one. These two heaters for the heater. And the second heater. Second heater is for this one. Second heater for this one. For the sealing, outside sealing. And here is the film seat. Normally it's no need to change. Later you can change set quantity. For example, you set 50. Okay. And if you want to set 30 or 20, and you should change the film. You should change the film length. If you change the quantity, how many quantity here? If you change here, for example 50, if you change to 20 or 30, if you change to 30, they show 30, and here the set length. That means the bag length should also change. What large 640? This size, this dimension against the need size. the need size and the need height. Here is simple, and here is saying show stop, because we have to press stop. And if we want to start, you should press start. You have to press start. Okay, it's press start. Okay, white light auto start. That means after the need come in, the need. Here is the blower control, air blower control to fit the need. Here is also blower control. The need to come here. Where the need to come here. Where need to come here. The blower should blow it to keep it not drop. The blower to keep it not drop. You see, like this. Because normally it's automatic drop. But if you air blower and blow, you see, doing it like this. But if you open air. Open air, and here is the size. Here is for the size. If you change the size, here is the adjustment. Here is just a little guide. Not too tight, not tight. Just guide not to turn and then like turn around. Here is the guide. 稍微前面好像有点紧。
没事，这个没有事，因为它这个有一点点没关系，因为这反正这一点点就看。
Okay, the machine is simple and easy. Here is for the power switch. 电源呢？
电源这里。
Here is a two-phase power. Okay, single phase power. Okay, finish here. This one is adjust the height. Use the film bigger or smaller. You can change the size bigger and smaller. This one adjusts the height. And here's for the length adjustment. Okay, simple. Here is the sensor. Here is the sensor for the count. Here is the sensor for the count, and here is the sensor for the fade length. 这个是那个this is the sensor for the fade, for the fade and back. And here is the pipe. Here is the pipe with lumber. Here is separated two parts. So here you should collect from the lumber. There is lumber. And here maybe adjustment against the size. You add something here, add a sponge and get the bead correct here. And here's floor. Here is the switch.